Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the third match in round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge quiz. And the scores: Ardenne High on 24, Immaculate Conception High on 14. Ardenne lost a point for the question, translate the sentence to English, olvidé pagar las cuentas, and the judges will not accept, I forgot to pay the bill. Correct answer should have been bills. Now we get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to get up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please, as we go to the first question, which comes from Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible begins with these words? Now, after the death of Joshua, it came to pass. Ardenne.
Judges.
Correct. Biology. What is the name for a plant having foliage that is shed annually at the end of Ardenne?
Deciduous.
Correct. End of the growing season. English language. Give a 10-letter adjective starting with P, which means dangerously likely to fall. Ardenne.
Precarious.
Correct. Or collapse. International affairs. Look at the screen. Identify this person. Ardenne.
Nancy Pelosi.
Correct. Chemistry. When 0.2 gram of sodium carbonate is dissolved in 50 centimeters cubed of water, what is the resulting mass concentration? Ardenne.
4 grams per dm cube.
That's correct. Music. Listen to the clip. Give the title of this piece. Ave Maria. General knowledge. Which Canadian province is to the immediate west of Alberta? Ardenne.
British Columbia.
Correct. Spanish. Translate to the English the following sentence. No sabíamos que estaba enfermo. We did not know he was ill. Geography. What is the name for a subset of hydroculture, which is a method of growing plants using mineral nutrient solutions in water without Ardenne?
Hydroponics.
Yes, without soil. Art. Look at the screen. Give the title of this local piece. Cement company. Information technology. What is the point at which a peripheral device attaches to or communicates with a computer so that the peripheral device can send data to or receive information from? Ardenne.
Ports.
Yes. History. In what year did Japan annex Korea to maintain control? 1910. Mathematics. The ratio of the amount of money in David's pocket to that in Indira's pocket is 9 to 10. If Indira has $25, then how much does David have? Ardenne.
$22.50.
That's correct. Physics. The volume of a piece of work was 9.5 centimeters cubed. A student recorded the mass to be 28.5 grams. Calculate the density of the rock in grams per centimeters cubed. Immaculate?
2.0.
That's incorrect. 3.0 grams per centimeter cubed. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. David Weller. Jamaican heritage. Which ethnic group in Jamaica celebrates the traditional festival of Hussein? Ardenne.
The Indians.
Correct. And French. What is the meaning of the verb emprunter? Ardenne.
To borrow.
Correct. Literature. Which female writer co-edited the collection A World of Poetry for CXC? Ardenne.
Hazel Simmons McDonald.
Pardon?
Hazel Simmons McDonald.
Correct. Art. Who painted Giovanni Arnolfini and his wife? Ardenne.
John Van Eyck.
Correct. Bible knowledge. And that's the bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of our match. And the scores are Ardenne High on 50, Immaculate Conception High on 12. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.